Welcome to Banana, an easy-to-use accounting software that works like Excel. This video shows you how to create a multi-currency double-entry accounting and a financial planning. Watch it to the end to see how to quickly enter data and get instant results. Start with the creation of a new file. Click on the new icon. Choose a region and a language, the category, and the desired type of accounting. Finally, choose the template that best suits your activity. In the popped-out window, change the name, the opening and closing date, and the basic currency. Enter the exchange rates. In the exchange table, you can set all the currencies used in your accounting, and you can enter the corresponding exchange rate. For each currency, there must be an exchange line without date. The exchange rate in this row is used as the closing exchange rate and as the current exchange rate if no changes are made. The opening change rate can also be entered in the row without date. In this table, you can of course add the currencies that you will use or cancel those that you do not need. Adapt the accounts table. The accounts table shows the balance sheet accounts and the profit and loss statement accounts. All these accounts can be customized according to your needs. For example, change the account numbers and the descriptions. Enter the initial balance. Add or modify accounts with the corresponding currency. And eliminate the ones you don't need. Create your budget. In the budget table, you can insert the estimated income and expenses for the indicated year. For example, insert the rent with the date, the repetition, the description, the debit account, the one that will be charged, the credit account, the one that will be credited, and the amount. Enter now the transfer to your euro account. As you can see, the system automatically complete the currency column, and if it is different from the base currency, it automatically calculates the corresponding amount. Repeat the same operation for your employees' salaries, for your incomes, and for your expenses. Enter the transactions. In the transactions table, enter the actual accounting movements of your accounting. You can either import bank transactions and link them to digital receipts, or you can enter the data manually. In the appropriate columns, enter the date, the description. In the debit account column, the account that will be charged. In the credit account column, the account that will be credited, and the amount. The currency and the exchange rate columns are automatically filled in by the system. Repeat this operation for all movements. As you can see, the foreign currency transactions made before the rate update display the normal exchange rate, while following transactions display the updated exchange rate. After entering the accounting transactions, the software will automatically update the account's balances, and you can immediately make a comparison to the budget balances. Reports and budget comparison. You can review and compare your past, present, and future data of your accounting at any time. You can create your report by selecting from the Account 1 menu, Enhanced Balance Sheet with Groups, Comparison Effective and Budget. To have a better overview of your cash flow, and to make sure you have enough liquidity to pay your salaries at the end of the month, you can create a report of your budget with a monthly subdivision. Or you can view the charts of your bank account. By following this step, you can check if the actual business is in line with your budget plan. For more information, please visit banana.ch.